Hey, this is George, and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. If you're trying to send your Bitcoin from your Cash App account and you're getting this type of error, withdrawal cancelled, the withdrawal was cancelled for your protection, I'll show you a few steps what you can do to fix this problem. Here are all of the steps what you need to do to fix this problem and make a transaction in Bitcoin. So let's get started, guys. First of all, you need to verify your balance. First of all, just check your Bitcoin balance. Make sure you have enough Bitcoin in your Cash App account to complete the withdrawal. And this includes network fees, and you might getting this error because of the network fee, because even small network fees must be covered, guys. So check if you have available balance, and your balance should be also enough for the network fees. Another step, if this is not helpful, you can check for available updates. So just go to your Google Play Store or App Store and make sure that you have latest version of the Cash App. If there is an update button, click the update button and update your app. Also, you need to make sure that your account is verified. Just go to your account, click your profile in the top right corner, and there you will see verify your identity option. Just click it and check if your account is verified. You need to verify your name, date of birth, mobile number, and bank details, guys. After that, you can check your Wi-Fi connection. You may have a weak Wi-Fi signal or unstable internet connection, and that's the triggering the problem. You can just restart your Wi-Fi router. Also, you need to check your linked cards. Make sure the cards that are linked to your Cash App account are not expired. So just click your profile in the top right corner, go to the linked banks, and there will be all of the cards that are linked to your account. Also, if you're using the browsing version of the Cash App and you're getting this error, you can just go to your browser settings and you can clear your browsing cache, guys. This might help you. And now the last option, if previous steps are not helpful, you can directly contact the Cash App support. Just click your profile in top right corner, scroll all the way down, and in the bottom you will see support. Click it and then scroll all the way down again, and there will be a chat option. Just click the chat and directly contact the Cash App support, explain your issue, and they will assist you and solve your problem, guys. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.